Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search for products using Google search. So what you want to do, just simply head over to Google guys, and I'm going to show you a few ways how to go about this. One, you head over to Google and let's say you want to type in watch, right? So I'm going to search for watch or Apple Watch. Let's say I'm going to search for Apple Watch. So I'm going to type in Apple Watch and I'm going to hit search. Now immediately it will start to show a sponsored section here, products. You can simply, go across and you can look for products. Another way you can easily do that is to look at the top and you can simply click on products, and here you will find products as well. So you scroll down and you will find products, right? So you can do that as well and search for products. Now you can also do that by looking at images. So have a look at this way how you can search as well. So click on images, and let's say you're looking at products here, because you can see products at the top here as well. But let's say you're scrolling through and you find an image that you like of a particular watch, for example. So let's say this one here. I can click on this image, then I can look at it, right? But you can also search for this particular watch as well. All you have to do is look towards the lower left hand side. You will find this smart search here by Google, right? You can easily go ahead and click on that, and it's going to scan the picture and it's going to find other places or businesses that are actually selling the watch. So have a look at that. This is the same watch, same color, and if I scroll down I can see other companies that are actually selling the same watch, right? So this is a smart way how to do that, guys. Now I'm going to show you something. Let me see if I can save this image. Yeah, I can save this image. So I'm going to save this image and show you something as an example. So let's say you're at Google as well. You can do the same search by image, right? So you can click on this and you can upload the image. So if I click on upload here as well and upload that same image, it will look for it, and as you can see, Google search for it. So it's basically scanning the image as well, and if you scroll down you see that it finds businesses, and I can easily just switch to basically products as well, and you can see that it's actually showing me those different businesses that are actually selling this. So if you have an image, guys, of any product that you want to search, you can easily search by image on Google as well. And this is one of the smartest, one of the easiest ways how to search for products on Google. Very easy and very simple.